Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 1 and today we want to present you about our multi-platform application project that has been developed and named EDUC8. This group consists of 3 members. There is Ahmad Fahri, Teddy Setiawan, and myself, Naura Ashifa. For the next 12 minutes, this is the agenda that we will presenting today. That is about project management, tools and implementation, UML diagram, unit testing and analysis, and last is UI and demo application. And yes, we will start from the first topic about the project. So basically, the thing that motivates us to make the EDUC8 application is we see that workers, college students, or even a school student tend to have difficulties in managing their time. Not only that, but they often have problems with managing study resources such as materials that they already have or available online. With EDUC8, we want to solve this problem by helping the study process by ease of management for study resources, such as materials, and also a form of reminder for tasks to prevent students from missing deadlines. Not only that, we hope to increase the productivity and also the efficiency of workers in their process of studying. So there is 2 main functions that we can offer to user. The first one is task management. With to-do list feature, EDUC8 can help users to always monitor the tasks or things they want to do. And for the second function is collect all learning resources in one organized place. In EDUC8, we offer note-taking and subject topic feature, so users can arrange their learning material as they like, based in topics or based on subject. In that way, user will find it easier to find the files again. This is our competitor, is the to-do list or note-taking app that has been circulating on the internet, such as Trello, Notion, or Evernote. But we have the difference between EDUC8 and the other competitors is that there are additional features provided by us, namely managing resources. Okay, this is risk analysis and anticipation. The first risk is similarities concept with other platforms such as Notion and Trello, and not having enough users in our platform. We can anticipate by having special features that are only unique to our platform. So the next risk is developer skills to develop a functional application and application security. But we can anticipate by learn more to sharpen our skills in developing the application. Okay, then we move to the second topic, that is project management. This is our project timeline where we start from October for analysis and finish in December with application testing and finalization. For cost estimation is mostly zero because we use application that we can get for free. And this is next members and roles, where Ahmad Fahri as back-end developer, Naura Ashifa and Teddy Setiawan as front-end developer.
Okay, now we are going to continue our friend's previous presentation. We are going to go to tools and implementation, which is going to be explained by Teddy.
Here the tools that we use for create the project. The Figma one is the tools for create the UI. The JavaScript and Heroku are the tools for creating the data, the backend. Android Studio is the tools for creating the Android apps, and the Dart and Flutter is the language that we use for creating the code. This is the screenshot of our GitHub. This is the for front end one, and the second one is back end. We want to continue about the UML diagram. The first diagram is user diagram. In this diagram, we can see the relation of the users and the system. Next, in the class diagram, we can see the relation about the class in our project. And the activity diagram is the flow of our project going to work. And the component diagram is the relation about the component in our project. Next, we want to talk about unit testing and analysis.
Okay.
Maybe Fahri can continue.
Okay, in unit testing and analysis, we have a few features that we have tested, and also we have also taken a lot of input from users, and we review the input and there's experience in using our web application. The first testing is our functionality testing, which is on the first part. It's a login. In the login, we are able to pass all the questions or all the question features of our application. There are 5 which we all pass. Next, and then there's a register. We have 5 also, which is the register and register with correct email and password. Cannot register with incorrect email or format and password, and then you cannot register with same email. You cannot register without any needed details, and the user is routed to login page after register. Next, in the main page, we have also passed all the parameters that we have also set for our application, which are seeing the subjects, adding subjects, and so on and so on. In the profile page and the profile edit page, we have also passed our threshold or parameter for our application, which are we are able to see the profile and its details. We are able to edit the profile. The user is able to not leave the details null, or it will revert before it is edited. And then the user is able to log out from the app, and the user is also able to change the theme of the app. In the topic page, we have also passed all the parameters, which are the user is able to see topics, the user is able to edit the topics, delete, add, and go back to the main page. The user is able to also tap the topics and go and be routed to each topic's material page. Okay, in the material page, we are also able to pass our threshold or parameters for our application, which are the adding topics, inserting video links, adding. The user is also not able to add incorrect video links, and the user is able to add to do by getting routed to add to page, and the user is able to go back to the topic page. Next. In the to-do add page, we have also passed all the parameters, which are adding tasks, not able to add tasks or tasks by leaving details null. The user is routed to the material page after to do is added, and the user is able to go back to the material page. Here are all the testings that and the output from the users experience by using our app. The first one is the color or theme. This is UI oriented. Next, it is also UI oriented about the fonts. Next, this is also the visibility of all the buttons. Next, this is more of functionality. Is it easy to use? Next. And this is the functionality. Can all the features be available on the app? And most users say yes. And here are the scores for our each features. Next. And overall score of our application. And we also take the user's opinion about how helpful it is to manage their task and their tests, and also their resource by using our app. And here are all the feedbacks. Next, we're going to the UI and demo application. Okay, so first we are going to go to our main page. In our main page, we have there are multiple subjects that we can add, or we can edit, or we can delete. And here are the feature to add our subjects, and here are the to-do lists that are available for now for the user currently. Okay. Okay. If we press one of the subjects, we will go to the topic page.
In this page, we can see all about the topics that we have been created before. In this subject, there are topic database, testing, implementation, etc. In the topics we can press that and we go to material page. In material page, we can see the notes, to do, and the video. In the notes, we can edit the notes, and to do, we can add the to-do list. And then in this material page will be and the to-do list will be appear in the material page. And the video section 1 is we can insert the video link.
Video ID.
Oh yes, we in here we use the video ID. Next, the to-do list feature is
our application uses the internet, so the speed of our application also depends on the user's internet speed. So if it's slow, then taking response from the API will also be quite slow.
In this to-do list section, we can see details about the to-do list, the titles, types, the deadline, and the description. And we can also done with the task. We can press the checklist button like that, and to do. We want to wait. We continue about the next feature is the profile page. In this page, we can see the name of the account, email, and the phone. And we can log out and we can change the theme of our apps like purple, green, or blue. In this page, we can also edit the profile. We can edit name, email, phone number, password, and if we have done, we can press the edit profile button. Okay.
Yeah, maybe that's the features of our application. Thank you for listening to our presentation, for our final project presentation. And I hope the application would be very useful for students to come. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.